Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn systems of equations together, step by step. A system of equations is just two equations sharing the same x and y. The solution is the single point where their two lines intersect. There are two reliable methods: substitution, where you plug one equation into the other, and elimination, where you add the equations to cancel a variable. On the digital SAT, Desmos can graph both lines and hand you the intersection directly. Pick the method that fits the problem. If one equation already has x or y by itself, substitution is fastest. Drop it into the other equation. If the equations are both in standard form with matching coefficients, elimination wins. Line them up and add so one variable cancels. With practice, you'll spot the easier route in seconds, which saves precious time on the test. First equation gives y equals 2x plus 1, so substitute that into 3x plus y equals 16. That becomes 3x plus the quantity 2x plus 1 equals 16, which is 5x plus 1 equals 16. So 5x equals 15 and x equals 3. Plug back in. Y equals 2 times 3 plus 1, which is 7. The solution is the point 3, 7. Both equations have 2x, so elimination is perfect. Subtract the second from the first. The two x terms cancel, leaving 3y minus negative y. That's 4y equals 8, so y equals 2. Now substitute into 2x minus y equals 4. 2x minus 2 equals 4, so 2x is 6 and x is 3. The lines meet at 3, 2. Always pick the variable that's easiest to cancel. So remember, if a variable is already isolated, substitute. If coefficients match up, eliminate. Either way, find one variable first, then back substitute to get the other. Your final answer is always an ordered pair. And when in doubt on the digital SAT, type both equations into Desmos and read the intersection point right off the graph. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.